might we should maybe put you down.
Oh my God! I have spent. I can't. There was no shrubbery in that house at all when I bought it. So
It's a little early lunch.
That was like, you show him a picture of him and Gail.
He's butt ruining my shot.
Fuck, we're explaining.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm like, my best friend from Gail. I remember her talking about you. She still talks about it.
We get a keeper. KB's bring dinner.
Oh, here's a big old jack on. That's why. Dang, Snook. There's your fighter.
Get away from that, you biatch.
Big boy.
Wow.
Big jack.
You can eat that, right?
Pinwheeling.
wow.
One more pinwheel.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Atta boy.
You should hold him out to the camera like this thick.
He's He's 73 pounds.
That's okay.
Beautiful.
Make him a little pretty. Grab it from the handle, not the plastic, otherwise the bogus will open up. Very nice, Keith. Good
Beauty
job.
redfish for Keith. KB inshore grand slam today. Beauty.
You got dolphins behind you.
So we thought they would have had like nicer houses here in the intercoastal, but it's you know, what do you really expect, you know?